Question of the day, mother truckers. Have you ever cut off anybody, or have you ever squeezed in and caused an accident? Be honest. Or has a four-wheeler ever did that to you and it just pissed you the hell off because you couldn't stop in time? Comment down below. What's going on, mother truckers? So I just want to let you guys know that when you are in a car, please do not cut off truck drivers. I'm talking about you. Sometimes you cut off truck drivers.
No, I only did it once.
But here's the reason why, four-wheelers, why you don't want to cut off truck drivers. A subscriber sent me this video. I believe it's him.
But it wasn't like a semi-truck driver. It was like a smaller one.
Right, but I'm just saying, this is why you don't want to do this. The subscriber sent me this dash cam video.
I know that. I didn't mean to do it. It was just that my exit was like right there.
Say sorry.
I'm sorry.
Do not do this, four-wheelers. Basically, a subscriber sent me this video of a dash cam. I believe it's his. But a car cut him off. It was raining. And then there was someone in front of the car. And of course, you know when someone's speeding and then there's a truck behind and then the car tries to squeeze in? Well, that front car hit the brakes, making that car hit the brakes. And then the truck driver hit the brakes. Well, it takes us a couple football fields to stop. So guess what happens when that happens? We got an 80,000 pound load and it's raining. Boom.
Well, it wasn't raining that day for me.
I'm just saying.
I know. I don't do it. It was just that one time.
You know, this could have ended this truck driver's life. You know?
Understand that.
Because in this video, in the dash cam, when that freaking car squeezed between the other car and then the other one hit the brakes, well, the truck driver swerved and crashed into the median. You know? So, be safe. Be safe.